We're just doing a wee search for suitable campsites. Some of it's a bit wet, some of it's a bit rocky, but it is a sublime spot. And we are up and ready to get a wee bit of tea on and a snack. Feeling a wee bit tired. Says in the car 25 degrees. It's funny actually because the last one I did as a quick overnight in the Arrochar Alps was about a year ago, I think maybe 2 years ago, with my Rab Bivy, and absolutely roasting that time as well. Although it's a two-part tent, a fly sheet and an inner, it's a doddle to put up, to be honest. It's actually really quick. There we go, up, camp's up, football's on, just about to get my dinner, and it's a lovely wee view for a sunset. That's looking down towards Loch Goilhead and then out into the wider Clyde, going south. Nice. Good to get set up at last. Time to get some tea on. A slug of this as well. Don't know if my camera will show up, but I'm looking right down over the Clyde, Greenock Gourock. Actually, I'm not quite sure what I'm looking at. I'll try and work it out, put it on the video. The two guys are at the summit now. You can probably just see them on the horizon. They'll be looking for a wee pitch somewhere about there. I just like the view here and thought I'd bugger it. And I'm near the Lochan as well for the water, so ideal. Nice light on Ben Eam, Cobbler, Narnain, Ben Lomond, the Brack, which is a cracking wee hill in its own right. I've run a video on that before. Aye, what a stunning night. Great to be up here. What a night. Gorgeous. Right, 10 past 11. I think it's about time for bed. Wee view down the Clyde, I don't know if it'll show up in the phone. And looking back down towards Aricha. To be honest, on the camera it's a lot lighter, but it's actually pretty dark now. And then over towards Colburn Benin. So, see you in the morning. Six in the morning. Yet another nice morning in paradise. Time to get breakfast on and get a move on. A wee bit early for breakfast for me, so a wee banana piece and a cappuccino. Get me down that road. Well folks, it's 6:30, time to pack up and time to head for work. So I'll save you the, spare you the humdrumness of taking the tent down, and I'll hit the road. There we go. Oh, Jesus. And we're off. Have we got the right turn off? Does it say Karua? It does indeed. Perfect. Beautiful view. Well, we've still got the light. I think we're only about a mile in maybe. Of 11, 10 to go. Right, I'm guessing 2 miles in. 40 minutes roughly.
Oh, I've got my time.
Did you?
What timer?
You numpty, we're going up there somewhere. 5 miles in. Reached the code for the estate. No idea what it is, but we're on bikes, so who cares. Right, we'll head through here and we've got another 6 to go. I think we're about an hour in, so 2 hour trip I reckon. Heading out into open country now, into the 6th mile. It's nice actually, I have to say. Really felt the weight coming up the hill though. The bike's not very well balanced, it's all in the rear. I'll need to get some stuff over the front of the bars I think. But still, nice view. Whoa. What's that in miles?
7.5, 7.4, something like that, 7.2.
We've just come to the junction at the head of the loch now. There you go. So, state office, blah blah blah. We're going to go to the right, I think, down to the loch, because I remember some decent camp spots, hopefully by the loch. Right, we're on Loch Ossian now. About a third of the way along, I think, on the north side of it. And we've found a really nice dry area with a view up and down the loch. So we're just checking out potential. We can put a campfire down here on the stones without doing any damage or a fire risk. Although it is very damp anyway. Richard's just checking out this wee headland here. Bikes are over here and we're thinking of camping in there. There's a lot of pine and stuff, so it should be a nice wee spot. Richard's new Force 10, what is it? Helium UL1 or something? Yeah. And I'm out in the MSR Advanced Pro, which will be a condensation fest probably, but anyway, see how it goes. Right, we're pitched up All good. Let's get the gear in and get a wee home set up for the night. I brought the Neo Air Xtherm, brand new, never used it. 140 quid or something I think I paid. But it should be good. I don't think it's going to be a test tonight. I think it'll get to about freezing if that. Richard's got my X Lite I've given him to try tonight as well, which will be perfectly adequate for us. I've got soup courtesy of Richard. We're doing a wee bit of a contra trade. So I'm on minestrone in a minute. Hopefully this will work nicely and boil up the water for the main course, and that will leave me enough gel for breakfast tomorrow. Foraged wood.
Aye.
Nearly time for bed, folks. Richard's gonna climb into his new tent for the first night. Night number 2 for me. Gonna go in and get a candle on and get the radio on or watch a bit of telly or something. And off to bed. See you in the morning, folks. Saturday morning. There's the castle up there where we sneaked around last night in the grounds. I'll swing you west. Looking a wee bit more damp up that end of the loch with prevailing weather coming in. But it was a lovely wee spot. That's our wee fireplace from last night. And then where we were with the tents, which was fine. It was a wet wee night, tent's a wee bit damp inside, but all good. Breakfast water on the boil, a wee Expedition brekkie and a wee cappuccino, and we're off. So that was 24 hours in Karoo, folks. Thanks very much for watching, and have a very Merry Christmas and a good New Year. See you in 2009 for more, hopefully some good wee micro adventures.